Kabalen!
Kabalen!
Hi, I'm Kat.
And I am Prisa,
your SM City Pampanga BEAUTéDERM consultant for today.
So Ma'am Prisa, ask ko lang po, since lately kasi nagkakaroon ako mga acne or mga sensitive skin, ano po ba yung recommended nyo when it comes sa mga acne muna?
Ang mga recommend ko po sa inyo is ito pong aming blank set. Blank set po includes acne vanishing toner 120 ml, moisturizing sunscreen with SPF 50 20 grams, acne vanishing cream 20 grams, and skin nourishing 20 grams. Blank set has day and night routine. For daytime routine, lather the popping soap in your hand and gently massage it to your face and neck for at least 1 minute. And then apply acne vanishing toner, upward stroke. And then apply moisturizing sunscreen with SPF 50 for sun protection. Then for nighttime routine naman po, lather the popping soap in your hand and gently massage it to your face and neck at least 1 minute. Apply acne vanishing toner, upward stroke. Apply acne vanishing cream for anti-acne. After 5 to 10 minutes, apply skin nourishing for skin hydration.
Oh, so parang package na po talaga from daytime to nighttime, talagang complete na. Paano na po when it comes sa mga sensitive skin?
Ang marirecommend ko po sa inyo is ito pong aming Beauty Elixir set. Ang mga inclusion niya po is refining toner 60 ml, sunblock primer 10 grams, and night fix cream 10 grams. Pwede niyo pong gamitin ito pong aming oatmeal soap. For sensitive skin din po siya.
Oh, so yung mga soaps nila, separate na binibili when it comes sa mga sets nito.
At ayun nga guys, syempre pansin nyo, madalas na tayong nagta-travel and at the same time, papalapit na yung summer. So again, hahanap tayo ng mga summer kit, mga travel kit din from BEAUTéDERM para mapangalagaan din yung mga skin natin while we are traveling. So ma'am, ano po ba yung mga traveling kit po natin or suggestion nyo for traveling? Yes.
Bali, meron kaming beauty sets na, ito yung bestseller namin. Tapos may 5 sizes siya. Tapos ito, good for, kung na magta-travel ka, ganyan.
Yes.
Ito, meron siyang papain soap, 75 grams, day and night toner, 50 ml, day cream, 5 grams, night cream 1, 5 grams, night cream 2, 5 grams, and night cream 3, 5 grams. Bali, meron siyang day and night routine. Sa day routine, lather mo yung papain soap sa kamay mo, tas then gently massage it to your face and neck for at least 1 minute.
Yes.
Tapos then apply day and night toner, upward stroke. Then apply day cream for sun protection. May SPF 60 na siya.
Okay.
Tapos sa night routine naman, apply mo ulit yung papain soap sa face and neck mo for at least 1 minute. Then apply day and night toner. Then apply night cream 1 for whitening. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, apply night cream 2 for moisturizing. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, apply night cream 3 for anti-aging. Then leave it overnight.
Wow. Mga ilang months or days po ba tatagal yung kit natin?
Bali yung travel set namin, good for 10 to 15 days na siya.
I see. Okay. Other than this, ma'am, may mga products po ba kayong sasuggest sa atin or new products?
Lalo na ngayon magsa-summer, suggest namin yung body lotion namin with SPF 30 na siya. Tapos if ever na kunwari sobrang init talaga, pwede kayong mag-re-apply every 2 to 3 hours. Then meron din kaming bagong product ngayon, yung body lotion namin. Nag-i-even out siya ng discoloration sa skin natin.
So ayun guys, no? Suggested travel kit para sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo mga may inaalagaan na kutis. Ito yung travel kit natin from BEAUTéDERM.
And get that beautiful transformation for as low as 950 pesos in as early as 7 days.
Alright, so ayun nga guys, for your travel beauty needs, check out BEAUTéDERM's travel kit.
Yes, so at the same time kung naman kayo yung may acne and mga sensitive skin, check out BEAUTéDERM SM City Pampanga.
There you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.